In today's video, we'll be looking at how to find probability easily. Probability happens to one of the topics that students find very difficult. But I want you to know that it's very easy to find probability if you understand how it works. In this video, I'm going to simplify it so that from today, when you see any probability question, you can easily navigate. Let's proceed to the video. Probability is a chance that something will happen. That is why it is called probability, probable. And it is always between 0 and 1. That is between 0% and 100%. 0 means there is no probability that it will happen. And 1 means there's a sure guarantee that it will happen. So you can have other values in between 0 and 1. You can have several fractions. But there is no probability value that will be more than 1. There is none. And there is no probability value that will be less than 0. Because 0 already says there is no chance of it happening. Now, the formula for probability is the number of favorable outcomes all over the total number of possible outcomes. Let's go practical. When you are rolling a die, and when you say a die in this case, it simply means 1. You are not using the 2 dice, you are using just 1. And you know a die has 6 sides. So when you are rolling a die, how do you calculate probability? The first thing is to know that a normal die has 6 sides. That's 6 sides with 6 numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you roll a die, what is the probability of getting a particular number? For instance, 3. 3 is a number out of the 6 possibilities there. So you don't say that because the number is 3, it's going to be 3 over 6. No, 3 is only written in one side of the die. It's not written in up to 3 sides. So the probability of rolling a 3 is equals to 1 over 6. So that's the probability. What are the probability of 4? It's the same thing. 4 is only at the one side of the 6 sides of a die. So the probability of getting 4 is still 1 over 6. The probability of getting 1 is still 1 over 6. What's the probability of getting 7? 7 is not at the side of a die. A die has only 6 sides and there is no side that has 7. That means the probability of getting 7 is 0. That is a situation where you can get 0 probability. We just solved a question on rolling a die. In the next video, you are going to see the probability of rolling 2 dice because it is quite different from the probability of rolling just a die. So look out for the video in this channel on the probability of rolling 2 dice. Let's look at example number 2. So we're going to look at a coin. The coin has 2 sides. It can either be a head or a tail. It has head, it has tail. So the total number of possible outcomes when you toss a coin is 2. A coin does not have more than 2 sides. We are looking for the probability of getting a head. Head is only one side of the 2 sides of a coin. So it's simply 1 over 2. And when you are looking for the probability of tail, tail is also just one side out of the 2 sides. So the probability of getting a tail is also 1 over 2. So this is how to easily find probability like this. Now let's look at the probability of multiple events. In the probability of multiple events, you can have independent events. That is events that occur independent of each other. For instance, you are looking at the probability of A and B. To get the probability of A and B, since they are independent events, we simply the probability of A times the probability of B. For instance, the probability of head and then a tail. So those are independent. It can be done at different times. Now we know that the probability of head in tossing a coin is 1 over 2. And the probability of getting a tail in tossing a coin is still 1 over 2. So you are going to have 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. 1 times 1 is 1. And then 2 times 2 is 4. So the probability of a head and then a tail is 1 over 4. This is what is called the probability of independent events, which is also a probability of multiple events. There's also a probability of mutually exclusive events. Maybe some other time we'll look at probability more in depth. But I hope you have learned the basics of probability in this video. Please, if you do, help us to like this video, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. You can also solve this question. Find the probability of getting 2, 4, and 5 when you roll a die and drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching again. Please ensure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more maths videos like this. See you in our other videos.